Hey guys, what's up?
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Sammy.
And we are the hosts of Suck.
Yes, we are.
It is Native American Heritage Month, so we are making AUK-goo-duck.
Yes, AUK-goo-duck means something mixed in Yupik,
which is a language spoken by Alaskan Natives.
Yep.
So let's get started.
All right, let's do it.
All you're going to need is Crisco, sugar, and
berries. Any berries you want. Salmon berries. They normally use salmon berries, blueberries, or raspberries. We're using raspberries that are frozen.
Yes, and this is also called Eskimo Ice Cream. So we're just going to add half a cup of Crisco.
Traditionally, for this, they would use animal fat, but now they use Crisco.
So now we're going to whip the Crisco with our hands. We're mixing it with our hands because that's how Native people traditionally did it.
Snowy heaven.
If you think that it's weird that we're making something pretty much out of Crisco, it's pretty much just like frosting, because in store-bought frosting they use shortening and sugar and butter, so it's almost the same thing.
Sometimes they make AUK-goo-duck savory style with fish or meat. Savory AUK-goo-duck with fish and animal fat in it would really sustain the fishermen and hunters on their journeys. Traditionally, the women would be doing this, and they must be very buff because my arm is almost giving out.
So now we're finally gonna try it.
It is freezing. Let's do it.
Very good. Tastes like frosting with raspberries. So good. And it's nice and cold because the raspberries were frozen.
My hands are now numb. It actually tastes like raspberry frosting. Yep, 100%.
For more recipes like this, make sure you get our book Snackcation on Amazon.com. And you can follow us at Some Kids Cooking on Facebook and Instagram.
And also YouTube, please subscribe on YouTube.
Thank you guys so much for joining us. Happy Native American Heritage Month. Bye.
Dig in. Bye, guys.